Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking here at Dutchy HQ. We're still on lockdown, so we're going to do some more cooking. Today I'm going to be doing a chicken shashlik. They're going to be cooking this chicken shashlik on a new bit of equipment that I've made, and I've called it the Kebab Rocket. So stay tuned to see the Kebab Rocket in action. So to go with the kebab, we're going to make a sauce. For this we need 4 tomatoes. I've only got baby ones, so I'm using 8. 2 chopped garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. I haven't got any puree, so I'm using 4 of ketchup. Get the lid on and get this blitzed. I like a bit of texture to my sauce, so I'm not going to blitz it for too long. So we've already got some charcoal lit in the joy stove. We're just going to put a cast iron pan on. 1 tablespoon of oil. Let this warm up. Now we're going to add our sauce. Just going to bring it up to a simmer. And once we're up there, we're just going to let it cook out for about 5 minutes. In a bowl I've got 2 teaspoons of corn flour mixed with some water, and we're just going to add a few drops in just to thicken this sauce slightly. So we're just going to add a couple in and let it cook. I think it needs just a bit more, so a couple more drops. You can just see it starting to tighten up. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to let that cook for a couple of minutes now to cook that corn flour out. Now we've got the sauce. This can be warmed up later when the kebab's ready. Right, move on to the marinade now for the chicken. I've got 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to mix this up. So in the bowl I've got 3 chicken breasts that I've cut into quite big chunks. I'm going to pour over the marinade. Now we need to work this marinade into the chicken. What's the best way to do that? That's it, with your hand. Get your hand in there, get it mixed up. Make sure the chicken's coated. Once this is done, it needs to go into the fridge for about 4 hours minimum. Overnight is better. So it's time to start assembling these kebabs. In a bowl I've got 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, and 2 onions that I've cut in half and then just separated the leaves. And some heavy duty skewers that I'm going to be using for this. So we're just going to layer these up. Onion, chicken, pepper, onion, chicken, pepper, etc. A good little tip for the onion and peppers is to get a sharp knife and just put a cross in the middle. This way, when you push them onto these skewers, they don't break. So that's our kebabs assembled. It's time to get cooking. So this is the rocket stove I've made. It's just 100mm 4-inch pipe. I've just cut grooves in it, as you can see. Welded some hangers on that have got little slots in that the kebab skewers fit into. Little ash drawer at the bottom. I did find one design fault when I was using this, that I'd actually made a lid for it, but with the lid on I wasn't getting enough air flow through it, so it wasn't getting hot enough, so I removed the lid. All I have to do is a quarter turn. As you can see now in this frame, that the charcoal is running hot all the way up. So there we have it, one chicken shashlik. So I've just served this with a warmed up sauce and some Pilaf Rice. So there you are folks, that's my chicken shashlik cooked on the Kebab Rocket. Chicken's nice, moist, tender. This sauce has got a sweet and sour flavour to it. It's as good as you get from a takeaway. Thought the rocket was taking off. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.